What's up, everybody? You found the GrillTop Experience, and we're all about grilling outside and cooking with fires. If you're into that, hit subscribe. With this video specifically, you're going to find out 4 tips for grilling when you're away from home, or cooking with fire if you don't have all the tools that you normally do. I went to Zion National Park to be able to prove that point, and I did something I've never done before with my family, and that was to go camping. It's going to take you guys along for the experience.
Make a list and check it twice, because there's nothing worse than getting out on the road and finding out that you forgot something. A lot of times you can't go back, and you just have to deal with it, which comes to number 2.
You need to be ready to
improvise.
And I'm a little bit embarrassed to tell you that on my last camp out, I made a list, I made sure I got everything, and then when I got there, I found out I had the wrong hose to hook the baby Q to my 20-pound propane tank. And that meant that everything that I had planned was going to cook hamburgers and french fries just like I did on the salt flats, but wasn't able to because I wasn't able to use my grill. So instead, I did it all directly over the fire. And it turned out even better, and I was even able to make some chocolate chip cookies direct on the fire using the trivet that I made a couple of weeks before. The next tip is to practice before you go. This vacation and camping isn't the right time to try out a new recipe. It takes a little bit of practice to make sure that you can adapt if anything goes wrong while you're out or away from the house. Now, a lot of people have said that I make these videos look easy, but the truth is I've practiced all these recipes a few times before I share them with you guys because I want to make sure that you can repeat them as well and have a good experience. The last tip is enjoy wherever you are, because if people only remember the food that you made rather than the places you went, you messed up. So go out there and enjoy it, stop making that YouTube video, and enjoy Zion National Park.
And to prove that point, I'm not going to share a single picture of food for the rest of the video and only show pictures from Zion National Park. Now, don't get me wrong, if the food is bad, the experience is going to be bad, but the difference between good food and great food is a ton of time, and you might miss the place that you're hanging out at. Now, if you like this video, smash that like button, and if you want to see more videos about grilling and smoking, hit subscribe, because there's more videos to come.